at the door.
There's important piece of golf equipment you're probably taking for granted. It's something that can improve your stance, help you play better, especially on awkward lines, and help you feel more comfortable on the course. It's not your clubs, it's your shoes. Etonic golf shoes from Herman's. Etonic made their reputation by making great golf shoes, durable, comfortable, and of course good looking.
Get those seat covers in.
Because we made our reputation by offering you the right equipment.
The former national security aide on 9 charges.
Yes, I look like a turf ball today.
The whole car.
It's what?
Got the whole car in view.
Oh, really?
And destroying government documents, aiding and abetting and misleading Congress, and receiving illegal gratuities for the installation of a security fence at his home. Sentencing has been set for June 23rd. Up and away for the 5 astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Atlantis to Paris. The voice of NASA gives us the
That guy looks weird having fenders on it.
We have a go for main engine start. 7, 6,
So it has a whole car that's working on it?
2, 1, 0, and liftoff.
The shuttle slipped through a rapidly closing window to start the Magellan mission and deploy a probe towards the planet Venus. Back on Earth, SEPTA plans to meet tomorrow to talk about a possible fare hike for the city transit system. It seems that there is a state law which allows the transit to push up the fares while the action is being challenged in courts. SEPTA will hold a public meeting on it sometime next week.
Venus sounds like a good place to party, don't you think?
Oh, yeah.
Jim Benelise with a Snow traffic update on WMGK. Did you ever party on Venus, Jim?
I think it's been a week there when after your travel east on the Schuylkill at 10 to 15.
Solid.
Back from Mount Gerard to the reconstruction and westbound 10 to 15 minutes University through 30th. 95 North slow exiting at the Woodhaven off-ramp heading Clementon, New Jersey. An accident being reported on Road near the White Horse Pike. In Cherry Hill, eastbound Route 70 slow between 295 and Laurel Crest. And in Abington, the crews are working on Modular Home on Woodland Road right near Lindbergh Avenue. Doing some periodic lane closures there until around 5 o'clock. That's Channel Traffic. I'm Jim Benelise with the Sunoco traffic update on WMGK.
Don't look at the one ads up there, Jim. I know they don't have any jobs for traffic people. No traffic jams on Venus. Sports from Magic 103. It looks like this. The Phillies are in Atlanta again tonight. Vaughn Hayes was named Player of the Month in the National League. Go Vaughn, all right. He only led the
Okay,
league
George.
runs, hitting, slugging percentage, you name it. Flyers have a night off to regroup, coordinate Abington last night. 3-0. It's tomorrow night at the Spectrum. Game 3 for the Wales Conference Championship. Magic weather, mostly clear this evening. However, the clouds roll in tonight. 27 degrees your overnight low. Look for rain as pretty much a definite thing for Friday. 60 degrees the high tomorrow. Kind of cooler. Friday night, chance of showers. Saturday and Sunday, the same thing.
That got
City
super
line,
star.
60 degrees. It's
In the
Magic
wrong
in
spot.
Philadelphia,
Get us back to that
WMGK.
screen.
We're playing the great
Low.
songs against
I know.
today and today with
He's a
limited
boo.
interruptions on Magic 103.
That's why I was all pissed off. That's why I was like, I gotta get this car out of here.
Well, see, that's what I'm afraid of.